Hello everyone, this is Bob Honish at the National Weather Service in Great Falls with your Thursday weekly weather briefing for the week of June 2nd through June 8th, 2022. We're looking at an extended period of temperatures close to seasonal averages for the first week of June, with daily afternoon temperatures in the 60s and 70s for most locations through early next week. While we are not tracking any major spring storm systems, there will be some weather hazards to monitor, as additionally weak weather disturbances bring an increased chance for thunderstorms by Friday. Then a series of stronger weather disturbances brings periods of rain Saturday through early next week. While precipitation amounts are not expected to be excessive, some periods of brief moderate to heavy rain is possible, with thunderstorms and locally at times over the weekend. Additionally, runoff from this rainfall into the rivers of southwest Montana will need to be monitored for rises through early next week. Here are the potential hazards associated with this week's weather. Feel free to pause this slide for closer review. Thunderstorm development this afternoon is expected across mainly southwest Montana and isolated in coverage, with a better coverage of thunderstorms across central and southwest Montana on Friday. The images here show the probability of thunder for the period between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. today on the left and for Friday on the right. The main concern with thunderstorms will be lightning and gusty winds on both days. A greater amount of instability and moisture in place across the region Friday will bring the potential for a few stronger thunderstorms, particularly across southwest Montana, where there will be a greater risk of small hail and locally heavy downpours with a few cells Friday afternoon. A series of weather disturbances from the Pacific then move across the region Saturday through early next week, bringing several rounds of showery precipitation. The greatest coverage and amounts look to occur in the late Saturday through Sunday night period, when substantial moisture will still be in place across the area. This is not a spring storm with widespread or heavy precipitation, but multiple rounds of showers and some possible embedded thunderstorms will likely bring some beneficial precipitation to most of the area. The map here on the left shows the high probability for most areas to see at least a quarter inch of precipitation during this period, while the map on the right shows the more localized nature of areas that might receive an inch or more of precipitation. Many southwest Montana rivers and creeks have increased flow and river levels already from this weekend's precipitation, in addition to seasonal snowmelt. Additional precipitation this weekend will be spread out over several days, but will also fall as mostly liquid except at the very highest elevations. This additional runoff may push some rivers and creeks higher early next week. The latest forecast for the Gallatin River at Logan projects the river to be near bank full next Tuesday. While the chance for minor flooding is still very low, folks recreating on or living near rivers should be mindful of the increased flow. Looking ahead into next week, the unsettled and showery conditions should decrease by midweek, with temperatures trending a bit warmer later next week. 8 to 14 day outlooks through the middle of June indicate a continued late spring weather pattern with near normal temperatures and precipitation chances favored. That's it for this week's briefing. Here's a summary of the main points. Thank you for listening and have a great weekend.